Mhm. Quite interesting. Assume that 5 million US dollars is receivable by your company from a person whose factory has caught fire on 30th of March 2025, and because of this he has been declared insolvent on 2nd of May 2025. Will you adjust your financial statements for this receivables because your financial statements are authorized only on 31st of May 2025? What do you think? Welcome to Let's Learn IFRS series. In this episode, we will understand the fundamentals of IAS 10, the events after the reporting period. Let's get started. As far as IAS 10 is concerned, if there are two dates that you will have to take cognizance of, it is number one, the balance sheet date, number two, the date on which the financial statements are authorized by the board of directors for issue. The reason is we are dealing with a question of whether or not to adjust the events between the date of the balance sheet and the date on which the financial statements are authorized for issue. Once we take note of these two dates, what we need to check is whether the cause of the event existed on the balance sheet date or not. For instance, the question that we are dealing with right now is a fire in the premises of a person who owes us 5 million US dollars. The date of the fire is 30th March 2025, eventually because of which he became insolvent on 5th of May 2025. Here, the cause of the event is fire and the event is the debtor becoming insolvent. So, if the financial statements of financial year 24-25 is authorized by the board for issue on 31st of May 2025, then the presence of the cause of the event, that is the fire, is already there on the balance sheet date. So please note, since the cause of the event was already present on the balance sheet date, this event becomes an adjusting event and it needs adjustment in the financial statements by way of a double entry. What is more interesting here is the standard assigns no importance as to whether the maker of the financials is informed of this cause on the balance sheet date or not. So, for instance, here whether you are informed as to whether the fire has happened on 30th of March 2025 makes no relevance. Twisting this example a bit, if the fire has occurred on 2nd of April 2025, this event would be called as a non-adjusting event which requires mere disclosures and no adjustments in the form of a double entry. Hope this explanation gives you the needed clarity. See you soon with another interesting standard.